Hello friends, welcome again. In today's video, we will learn about one word substitutions related to different professions. We all know there is a big difference between profession and occupation. Profession which related to some degree and occupation doesn't related any degree. Okay, now we move forward to our first slide and our first word. Okay, the first word we have anchor, a person who does TV news program. Anchor. We all know in reality shows there is a anchor who announces the name of participants and other persons. Okay, anchor is the anchor do anchoring of the show. Okay, second word we have anthropologist. 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 There is a science which name is anthropology, in which we discuss about the orientation and the human beings development. Or an anthropologist is a person who reads evolution of mankind. Okay. Now we move forward, and third word we have astronaut. Astronaut, a person who travels in spacecraft. A person who travels to moon, Mars and Jupiter and other planets, we will call him astronaut. Okay. Fourth word we have calligraphist. Calligraphist, a person who does beautiful writings. Calligraphist, a person who does beautiful writings. Fifth word we have cartographer. Cartographer, a person who draws maps, who do drawings of maps, we will call him cartographer. Maps related to cartographer literally means drawer. Okay. Next, choreographer. We all listen a lot about this word. There are a lot of famous choreographer in front of us in our Bollywood and Hollywood. Okay. Seventh word we have chauffeur. A person who drives motor or car. You can say it's a synonym of driver. Chauffeur. Okay. Next word we have compare. One who announces name in the program. One who call artist and performers. Compare is just synonym of anchor. You can say anchor and compare are the same. Okay, next word we have curator. Someone who is in charge of museum or any other government body in which different things happen. Like in a cricket match there is a pitch curator. Okay, in a football there is a ground curator. Okay, curator, someone who is in charge of anything. In charge is equal to curator. Specifically for museum you can say in charge of museum is called curator. Next word we have florist. As name describes us that flower means related to flower. One who take care of gardens, someone who deals in flowers, someone who run a shop of flowers, someone who sells flower for their survival, we will call him florist. Someone who sells house plant and sells other flowers, we will call him florist. Next word we have invigilator. Someone who supervise the examination room. Invigilator, we all have gone many times, we have seen this type of inspector in our during our examinations. Someone who supervise the examination room, invigilator. Next word lexicographer. Who compiles the dictionary. Compiles literally means assemble, together, put together. Arrange, someone who arranges the words of dictionary, we will call him lexicographer. Someone who assemble words for the dictionary, we will call him lexicographer. Thank you boys. We will revise all these words in a very short time. Anchor, who perform in a show, who introduce the name of other performers and artists. Anthropologist, someone who study about mankind. Astronaut, someone who travel in a spacecraft. Calligraphist, a person who does beautiful drawings, yeah, writings. Cartographer, one who draws maps. Choreographer, someone who teaches how to dance. Chauffeur, a person who drives a car or motor. A driver is chauffeur. Camper is same to anchor. Curator, in charge of museum. Florist, someone who sells flower. Invigilator, someone who supervise examination hall. Lexicographer, someone who compiles degree. Okay, now we move forward to our next slide. Radio jockey, we all listen about a lot about this word. RJ, someone who speaks on radio and present radio program. Same like radio jockey, there is video jockey, someone who speaks on TV and present TV program. Very easy, radio jockey and video jockey. Next, cephalologist, cephalologist, a person who study and understand the election pattern. Cephalologist, a person who study and understand the election pattern. Next word we have sculptor, a person who gives shape to a stone. A person who draws sculptures, a person who gives shape to stone or usurer, someone who lends money at very high rates. Usurer. Senator, member of Senate. Very easy. Senator, member of Senate. Thank you very much for watching.